Microfiber Twist Mop. Super strong absorptive force can catch dust, hair and dirt. Makes floor cleaning more easy and simple. Scrubbing pad and mop head helps remove stubborn stains on floor. Great for cleaning bamboo floors, hardwood floors, tile floor, laminate floor and other old kind of floors. Very safe for cleaning. This self-wringing twist mop uses a ratchet in the handle to twist and wring water out of the mop head. Web mops for floor cleaning with wringer makes your hands will never touch the water. Self-wringing mop system with washable microfiber head has excellent water absorption. It's best household web mop, also suitable for using commercials and industrial applications.